Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to another video. In this video we're going to be doing a flip cup with a black base coat. The colors we're going to be using are bright yellow, bright red, and phthalo blue. All three of these are Artist Loft pre-mixed, and then this one is the molten metallic Dorado Gold. Each color has 3 drops of the silicone hair oil in it. And let's speed through the process so we can get to it, guys. All right, I'll be right back. Alright, so what you saw me do is I just applied my base coat. I didn't apply it to the entire canvas. There's not really any need because it's gonna, the paint out of the cup is gonna push the rest of this paint off to the sides anyway. I just didn't want any of the silicone that's in the cup to contact the canvas bare, because if it does, then the paint doesn't really want to stick to it. So right now I'm just letting all those colors settle down. They don't have much space really to go, so they're probably about good to go. We're hoping for a very, well, you know, that turned out already. Here's to hoping, right? Wow. Did that really just pour out of the cup like that? Goodness gracious. That is gorgeous. That is absolutely gorgeous. So right now I'm just going to let it do what it does for a moment. Take a torch to it. Got to get better at wiping off my hands before I start grabbing stuff. That is amazingly beautiful right now. Now I got to decide which side do I want to go to first. I really like the way this red, yellow, and the gold lacing, so I'm going to bring it this way first.